This is a 500-liter Sous with ultrasonic cooking machine. First of all, we must connect the three-phase electricity supply, and then the first step, we power on the machine. Firstly, we must make sure the emergency stop is in the on position. The power is ready now, so we can switch on. The panel have a self-checking procedure. Then it will reflect the actual temperature in the tan and the target temperature we set. The timer is at the lower low. To set the temperature, we can press the orange up and down to set the temperature we need. To set the minute, we can press the first one, hour. During the flash, we can adjust the hour to what we need. This is the long stop. Then when it's flash finish, it means end. Then we can press another one. That's setting the minute. Also press this one to change the minute. Let's say it's 1 hour, 59 degree. Temperature now inside 26. And the starting button is this one and this one for Sous cooking. This one is ultrasonic cleaning. Not for cleaning, we only use this one for Sous cooking. For Sous cooking, both the same. Press this one to start Sous cooking. So we remove the cover. So we can put basket inside the tent. If the food is loaded into the basket, it will be heavy. So it should be all people on both sides. The basket one by one. There are totally 4 baskets in one set for this machine. Then we can start the Sous cooking with the food inside the basket, and we can place the cover on top of the machine. So that's all the procedure. And see here as the overflow valve. This is the inlet of the water and the outlet of water.